This is the VideoMic GO II by RØDE, and I got this mic because I wanted to improve my audio quality when I record these videos for you. And basically, from what I saw, this should be a really solid mic for around $100 mark, and I think it should be one of the best options when it comes to money for value. So I'm very curious to open this up and check out what's inside, and of course compare it to the mic that I'm currently using, which is the VideoMicro by RØDE, the first one, not the second one. So before we go on, let me just have a quick look at the box. It looks pretty and very solid overall. Looks like a high quality product. We got in this device, we got the Helix isolation mount, which is the new mount. It looks like that. It should be a little lighter than the previous version. This mic is highly directional, which means that it will work best when you direct your input audio into the mic, straight into the mic, and it will not be picking up signals from the sides. So this is a good thing and a bad thing, depends on your type of audio. It has a 3.5mm TRS connection and a digital USB output, so you can plug the microphone with a 3.5mm or USB, depends on your choice. People are saying that this option sounds a lot better than this option, which is not so good for me because I'm planning to use this with a 3.5mm cable, and yeah, I'm curious to see the difference and check out the sound difference between the two options. Alright, so let's get it started. Let's open it up. Okay, so there you have it. We have unboxed this thing, which was pretty challenging, I gotta say. And here is the microphone. Wow, I can say right away, this is super lightweight, amazing. Like if you want something that you can just plug on your phone or your camera and not feel it throughout the day, this is really good, so light. Okay, let's see what else do we have here. A few instruction papers, a cable, and believe it or not, this is it. That's all there is in this whole box, which is kind of insane. I'm missing the USB cable, by the way, RØDE. If you guys are watching this, I don't think that's cool at all that you're not adding this thing to the package. Like, do I have to buy a cable now? Okay. Anyway, it looks pretty cool. It's light and we have a cable. So let's plug it in and compare the sound. So like I said, right now you're listening to my audio through the VideoMicro by RØDE. Right now I'm gonna turn off all the effects so you can hear it at its raw sound without any effects on. And I am talking to you from a distance of around 20 centimeters from my mouth. Okay, so now we are at 40 centimeters from my mouth. Now I'm gonna change the microphones and switch them to this VideoMic GO II. So this is how the VideoMic GO II sounds 40 centimeters away without effects. And this is how the VideoMic GO II sounds 40 centimeters away with effects. And this is the sound of the VideoMic GO II about 20 centimeters from my mouth. This should be similar to the setup that I had on the VideoMicro. Alright, so right now I'm talking 20 centimeters away from the microphone on the same position, but right now I'm using the USB connection. It should sound more clear, stronger and more powerful. So right now I am plugged with the USB cable. The distance is about 40 centimeters away from me. Let me know how this sounds. Alright guys, so this was the VideoMic GO II unboxing and small review and a little comparison to the VideoMicro by RØDE. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And I would really appreciate if you like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's it for now. Till next time. Peace.